What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to send invoice on Stripe. Now first thing you should do is to simply log in into your Stripe account. Then once you log in, you should go to this icon right here, the plus sign, click on it and you will find here this option right here, Invoice. So tap on Invoice and now once you click on it, it will show you this page right here. Now you should add the customer that you want. I'm gonna add this one here for example. Then I'm gonna type their email, then add the language, then click on save customer, or you can simply click on add additional settings in order to add more about the customer. So click on save, and now what you should do right now is to simply choose the currency. So I'm gonna choose dollars for example. Then I'm gonna add the item. So I'm going to click on add one item. Then I'm going to type here beta for example, then choose the quantity 2 for example, then here put the price $10 for example. And you can also click on item options in order to show more options if you want, the supply date and so on. Then click on save. And now you have also the delivery method, and here you have additional options. PDF page size, you have the A4 size and the letter size, and you can also choose a specific template. If you have a safe template, you can use it by clicking on this option right here, then choose whatever template that you want. And here on the right side you have the preview of the invoice. You have also the payment page, the email and so on. So this is how payment page looked like, and this is the invoice PDF. Now after you're finished, you can simply click on send invoice. Then what you should do right now is to simply type the email of your customer in order to send him the invoice. Then you should click on send invoice. But here in my case, because I didn't activate my email, I cannot send them. But this is how you can actually do it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.